गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। आज हम लोग यहाँ पे सबसे पहले वी आर गोइंग टू वेरीफाई द बिजनेस अकाउंट ऑफ मेटा। सो देयर आर मल्टीपल रीजंस व्हाई वी हैव टू वेरीफाई द बिजनेस अकाउंट ऑफ मेटा. It can be used in the WhatsApp business API. It can be used in the lead generation process. It increases your ad limits, ad accounts limit. It gives you some options which will help you in the Meta API, which will give you the options to use the WhatsApp automations, or you can create the WhatsApp chatbot as well. So to verify the business manager account in the Meta, first of all, you have to log in your account business.facebook.com. So simply log in your Facebook account.com, and in the next tab, you open business.facebook.com. So this will be the home page. Some of you might not see this page because you haven't created any account in the Meta business account. So you have to first create or sign up the account with the same credentials of the Facebook only, so that from the same ID password you can access both the Facebook account and the Meta business account. So once you have signed up the account, you will see the page similar to this screen. And on this page, there are a lot of options here: ad manager, audience, ads reporting, ad systems, account settings, event manager. Yeah, simply click on the name which is visible in this search box. Here it is the business portfolio. If you can't find any business portfolio, click on the create a business portfolio from this link. Once you create this once you click on this link, simply follow the steps what they are asking, enter all the details that is required by the Meta for the business portfolio creations. Once this portfolio is created, you will see in this way, like there is one digitally India and one in digital marketing. So in this section, you have to click on the gear icon. Once you click on the gear icon, you will be able to go into the advanced settings of the Meta. From here, we have to do 3 or 4 things which will help us to manage our account, verify our account in the Meta, and after verifications we can see the accounts is verified. So to check whether your account is verified or not, simply scroll down the page and go to the security center, and in the security center you will see your business verification status, whether it is verified or not. So it is showing here verification of digital marketing is pending, so we can start the verification here. So to start this verification, you have to simply scroll up or scroll down and look for the business info menu in the left section. So here you will find the business info menu in the left section. Click on that part, and in business info you will see the details which we want to verify here. So this page we have to fill as per the document which we have. So the account which is showing here is unverified. We can verify this account very easily by following few steps. So the steps are, like example I'm giving you, the legal business name. The name should be similar to the document that we are going to upload in the Meta. So if you are a businessman, so you have to upload the company name, and we a company name you have to write here, and you have to upload the company document as well. So documents which are required in this, you must know before editing this page, because this will be required in the next stage. So documents for the companies are like PAN card, MSME. It can be like a certificate of incorporation, or it can be any government proof where the company name is written here. And on the same name, you should be having the address proof also. It can be like bank statement, phone bill, mobile bill, electricity bill, water bill, or anything. GST can be also used in the ID proof as a company name. If you are not running a company and if you are having a personal account, so you can verify that business account on your personal name as well. So you can write the business legal name, your own name, and in that case you will have to upload the PAN card, or you can upload the GST on your name, or you can upload the Aadhaar card, or you can upload the bank account statement as well. So it depends on you which type of account verification do you want. In both the cases, there is no any difference in the verification process. There is no difference between both the accounts. Either it is business account or it is personal account, you can verify in both the ways, and it is acceptable by the Meta. And after verification is done, you can use the official Meta API for the WhatsApp, that can be further used for the automation purposes or for the chatbot purposes. It depends on you how you wish to use. So this account has to be done according to the requirement of the company or the requirement of the person. So now I will edit all the details, and I will match all the informations as per the document that I have here. And I will try to show you the things how we are going to manage. So the domain which is written here, it should be similar to the website you should be running in the company or for your own purposes. So DS Star India is a website here. So you can see here. So we go to the contact us page. We will have to match this address, the phone number, and this data from in the Meta as well. So we will copy this ID, and we will go to the business account in the Meta, click on edit, and change the domain name, it's okay. Phone number should be similar. Phone number is also same. Address is this one, A140. So we will write and search, and it is already matching here. So it's fantastic, going good. So the company name is DS Star India. So we will look for the MSME documents or any documents that we have, and we will match the name. If it is same, we will upload it. So we'll copy the same name and we will paste it here, because it might reject the account because there is no minus in between D and S. So we will see everything and we will click on save. Once it is done, we have to verify the domain as well, because domain we can write anything. So for domain verification, you have to go to the left section and you have to look for the brand safety and suitability. Click on that, click on the domains. On the domain, you will have to add the domain name here. So here it is add option. Click here and click on this option. So it will ask for the domain name. Copy the domain name that you are the owner of, and simply paste here. In just try to write domain name without https and this www, and click on add. Once it is done, it will show in the pending state. We have to verify from the company from where we have purchased the domain or wherever the hosting is available. So I will try this. I will try to verify these things from my Cloudflare, because my domain is pointed to the Cloudflare access. So there are multiple options from where you can verify. All the instructions are given here. You simply read and verify it. So I will just click on the second point, upload a HTML file. You can do with this also, or you can add a TXT record in your domain registrar. It depends how you want to verify. So I will use the third option here, and I have got this information. Go to the domain registrar, log into the page and there. So I will just simply click my domain registrar, that is my Cloudflare. I will go to the Cloudflare and there I will connect it. So this is my Cloudflare account. I have to log into my account, and once I logged in, I will look for the domains that I have here. So in the left section, you have to go to the websites. If you haven't added here, or if it is already added, look for the websites section here. Under the website, you search the DS Star. So DS Star is here, and we will look for this domain. This is already added here. This domain, we have to go inside the domain and we have to look for the DNS server. DNS is here already given here, DNS in the left section in the Cloudflare. So all the vendors, all the hosting providers have a different options. Simply you need to add the records. So look for the records where we can add the DNS. If you are not sure where to add, you can ask with the domain provider or the hosting provider from wherever you have to purchase, because they will help you where the exact location you can find for the DNS adding. So here we have to click on add records, click on the add and go back to the Facebook again. So follow the instructions and we have to DNS. So copy this link, this line has to be copied, and they are saying that it should be registrar, write the a symbol in the host field. Okay, no problem. So we will go back to the DNS again, and we will here do the TXT, because they want to add me as a TXT. You can see here they are saying as a TXT record, so we have to add as a TXT record. Here they are saying add as a at the rate, and here they are saying to paste the data. TTL I will put 1 minute so that it gets verified as soon as possible. So TTL, time to live, in within 1 minute it will accept my changes, and they will send the data of the Facebook if I click on verify. So I have to wait for at least 1 minute or few minutes so that we can get the verification done here. Once it is done, they are already showing that it can take up to 72 hours for the domain verifications. So we have to wait for some time. Just click on verify domain once it is done. So if it is done correctly, successfully, the domain will be shown here, it's verified. So your one step is already clear, means we have already verified domain here. So the second step is the document verification. So for that, we have to go to this page on the security center, and on the security center, simply look for the verification of the name is showing here. The name is digital marketing. So we can change this name as well. So where this name is visible, go back to the business info again, and here it is showing digital marketing. So here we can change the name as well. Click here D Star India, so that it is easy to remember which account we are going to verify, and in the similar way it will be easy for you to understand which account has been verified here. So we go to this section, security center again, and we can go to the eligible work for verification. Click on the start verification, because this step will give you options to upload documents. So they are showing that for verification, you will need to show the business is real and you have a legitimate connection to it. Verify the business detail, confirm your connections, upload documents. Very simple. So we will click on get started now. As per the document that we have to choose the country, click on next. Once it is done, which type of businesses do we have? It's a sole proprietorship, it's a partnership, private limited institution. It depends on you what type of organization you are going to verify. So it's already a proprietorship. We will click here and I will click on the next and we'll get here. So the business is registered with the government and you have access or to obtain official document related to business document, yes or no. Simply it depends on you whether it is registered or not. If it is not, then you click on not yet registered. If it is registered, then you click on yes. So I will click on yes here and click on next now. So once I go click on next, it will give me the information that was already filled in the business info section. So these are the data which is already filled there. We can cross verify the data which we have. The address is A140 is already given here. Gully number 4, Mahavir part 2. So we will go back to again and we will write here. So the address actually it should match. It should match with my business info. So we have to edit the business info again because the here it is written street number 4, but in the document it is written Gully number 4. Both means the same thing, but for the meta it is different. So we have to change this detail again. So we will go back to the business info and we will change the we will update the exact address. So we'll copy this exact address and we will paste here because it is going to create a problem in future. They might reject your account. So click everything very carefully and paste it in this section so that we are able to verify it in a efficient way. So we will click here, New Delhi, Delhi 110059, pin code is correct. It's okay. And Star India, the company name is also the same. It's in capital letter, no problem. And we will save it. And we will move back again to the security center and we will check for the start verification. Now you can see the name is already updated here. Click on start verification. Now I think it should go easily. Click on next, click on next. Sole proprietorship business, click on next. It's already registered, click on next. So they will ask the documentation. You can just cross verify everything again. If there is anything missing or if there is anything is different from the website, simply correct it so that it is easy for you to understand the things are already going in a smooth way. So it is done. I will click on next. Now the next page, it can ask for the documentation. So we have to wait for that. So it is showing help us to confirm the combat issue, means we are not a robot. So I will click on I am not a robot. I will have to pass this check mark security options. Click on the cars wherever the car is showing, and here is also cars. Click on verify. So it is done. Click on next. So they are asking, they are giving something different options. This is the business which is listed similar to the name which we have given. If it belongs to this, we have to select, or we can choose the my business isn't listed here. Click here and click on next because we are doing for the first time. So they will ask for the email where we should send the OTP. So we have to choose the email. It is the recommended and it is good for you. So always choose the email. Business email should be there. Now they will ask for the documents, verify the document name. So we will upload the MSME because we have MSME here. Click on upload here. Now I'll click on the next page. Now it will ask for the different document. It can ask or it will never ask. It depends on the meta, what type of verification they want to do. So I will write the mail care@DStar India. Make sure you should have the domain email ID. Then only you can verify. Click on the send mail. It will send the OTP. Look for the Gmail and I will log into my account and I will look for the OTP in my inbox. Once the OTP is there, I have to verify the OTP and we have to wait and we have to enter the OTP in the panel. Once it is done successfully, it will send documentation to the Meta backend team for the verification purposes. It can take some time. It can take from 1 hour to 7 days maximum, or even they can take more time if they are unable to verify documentation. So once they have verified, either they will approve the document or they will reject the document. They will send you the mail after that and you will know whether your application was approved or not. If the application was not approved, you can contact with the Meta support at the same time and you can ask what was the issue. If you are not sure what was the issue, even you can look for the other options. They will show you the what are documents required for the next stages, because sometimes they feel that the documents which you have uploaded was not correct. So in that case, we have to wait for the Meta to resend the they will ask for to resend the documentation as for their clarification. So in that case, we have to wait only and we have to wait and watch. So I'm just waiting for the OTP. Once I get the OTP, I will be able to verify the account. Once this is OTP is entered, you will see that the account is under the verification stage pending, and this stage of pending takes some time. It can take up to 1 day, from 1 day to 7 days, depending on the workload in the Meta side, on the backend side, so that it will be easier for you to understand. It will be easier for you to know whether your account has been approved or not. Once your account is approved, you can simply use the Meta API for bulk messaging, for automation, for chatbot, or anywhere where you wish to use this WhatsApp API, you can use that. So this was a simple process which you have to follow. This takes hardly 10 to 15 minutes if you have all the documents ready, domains are handy, hostings are with you, so that you can easily verify your account. If at any point, if you feel any problem, you can just let us know. We will try to resolve your issues, and we will guide you how this can be done. Only you have to make sure the documents and other things are ready for with you. Thank you.